Go on, yeah. Alright, turn the other way now. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Yeah. Turn. Go on. Turn it this way. Keep turning it. No, the other way. The other way. The other way. Yeah, like that. Keep turning it. Yeah. Alright, keep straight. Turn the other way now. The other way. The other way. Yeah. Wait. Hold it. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Yeah. Turn the other way now. Turn the other way now. Yep. Keep turning. Yeah. Yeah, turn the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Yeah.
We almost there, Howie. Almost there, Howie.
Yeah, go on. Alright. Turn the other way now.
Here?
Yeah. Wait. Not so stop. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Turn.
We almost there, Howie.
Turn.
I'm a good driver.
Turn the other way. Turn the other way though.
And all of America's ready to rejoice. And Utz is the perfect snack to help you celebrate.
Go on. Turn the other way. The other way. The other way.
Are we going back home?
Yeah.
That's right. John Adams loves
The other way. The other way now. The other way. The other way. Yeah.
And as it turns out, Utz is the official snack of both Pump and
Alright, hold it.
So this
Wait, no, the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way.
all the magnificent firework displays. Make sure you have
Stop, hold it. Turn the other way now. Turn the other way.
Now let's see if you can
Can
park.
we press the
Yeah.
buttons?
No, turn. Turn, no, the other way. Yeah, like that. Turn. You turning. Turn. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Yeah, turn the other way.
What's that? Turn up.
Turn the other way. Yeah.
the official snack food of the colors red, white, and blue.
Wait. Turn the other way. Okay. Turn. No, the other way. The other way.
You park it, Kai. You did a good job.
Yeah, turn this way. Yeah, press every button. Alright.
This is Tiger Woods.
Good job, Caillou.
Laser eye test.